In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use DocuSign to send documents for electronic signature. DocuSign is a powerful tool that allows you to conveniently manage and send your documents for signing, all from the comfort of your web browser. So let's dive right in. First things first, you want to open your Chrome browser. Once Chrome is up and running, navigate to the website DocuSign.com. When you're there, the next step is to either sign up for a new account if you don't have one yet, or log into your existing account. For those new to DocuSign, signing up is quick and straightforward. If you're logging in, simply enter your credentials to access your account dashboard. Now that you have access to your account, direct your attention to the top of the page, and you will see a button labeled New. This is an invitation to start a new envelope, which is essentially a container for the document you're about to send out for signature. Click on this button to proceed. Next, it's time to upload the document that you want to be signed. Under the New Envelope section, you'll find an option to upload files from your computer. Click this and select the specific document you wish to send. It's as simple as selecting a file from your device storage. Once uploaded, the document will be displayed under your new envelope. With your document uploaded, you need to specify who will be signing it. Here, you'll add the email addresses of the recipients who need to sign the document. DocuSign gives you the flexibility to set a signing order if your workflow requires signatures in a sequential manner. This means you can arrange the order so that one recipient signs before it moves to the next. After setting up your recipients, the next step involves adding signature fields to your document. This part is quite intuitive. You simply drag and drop the signature fields onto the places in the document where you want each recipient to sign. This customization ensures that each recipient knows exactly where their signature is needed. Once you're satisfied with the placement of the signature fields, it's time to send out your envelope for signature. With everything in place, click on the Send button. This action will initiate the emailing process to your recipients, allowing them to receive a notification prompting them to sign the document. And there you have it. Within a few steps, you've successfully utilized DocuSign to send out documents for electronic signing. Whether it's for professional or personal use, DocuSign simplifies the signing process, making it more efficient and less time-consuming. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.